Item number 1.
This PL has to prepare mallet on the basis of mallet that the double lane roads provide the airport connectivity from Doni Polo Airport to Norlaman. And that was sanctioned mallet. And I'll take the lordship to the sanction copy in page number mallet in page number 46.
Okay. What do you want?
Now, in due course of the time, my lord, while this was executing, and we come to know that there are certain lapses, particularly, my lord, no land acquisition has been made in this regard. And secondly, what is the most important in this, when the forest land is to be converted to the non-forest work, for this, my lord, environment clearance certificates from the department is mandatory, and that has not been fulfilled by the executing agency. So these are the certain facts, that basically, first of all, no land has been acquired. There are around 38 kilometers. Exactly 38 kilometers from the airport to Norlaman connectivity.
Why PL? Why PL?
PL is many people in this within the forest dwelling area, and including almost 7 to 8 villages are there. And their grievances for
If they are agree,
compensation has not been
if they are agree, come.
pilot,
Landowners, they will come.
but
It's a little, I mean, not, it's a contradictory your submission. You are saying that the land has not been acquired.
well,
It's affect the landowners.
who's affect the land?
And then you are also saying that at the same time you are saying that it has not, this is a forest land. If it's a forest land, what is the question of
These are the forest land as well as the private land, and there are what I'm trying to say that these private peoples are dwelling inside the forest land. So those who are dwelling within the forest lands, they have their right. So in such situation, some of the forest land where that has been destroyed by the contractor, that in order to apply that, first of all, this environment clearance certificate is mandatory.
who are you?
We are the public activities, man.
What activity?
We are the social activities.
What social activity? So as any work you have undertaken, social work.
That as per requirement under section as per requirement what I got PL rule 2011, I have categorically stated that what we have done, madam, we have participating in the many social activities.
You have the lane. Are you the lane owner?
No, man.
Okay.
We are not the landowner.
Whether
We are the
any of the lane owner has filed any
no,
complaint?
none of the land owners.
And whether the
here.
forest department has closed any complaint?
Yes, there has been forest department also there is complaint.
Where?
Malota and we disturbed from in our this
How you are
representation.
affected?
I am not affected.
Then
We have not been affected because we are stand here for the interest of the person who have been deprived.
who
For
has
the
been deprived?
interest of the forest
Who has been deprived?
the person who are here, my lord, there are 6 villages. While this highway, this double land road crossing from Naharlagan to airport road, there are 6 villages, my lord. And then none of the villages they are.
You don't want road. You don't want road.
My lord, I am not here that I don't want. But What we mean, my lord, these, while executing the road, these, the formalities, what is the requirement that should be, my lord, fulfilled by the
We are not satisfied.
agency. Because, my lord, so far, my lord, the sanction is concerned, my lord, more than 230 crores a year. And despite of that, so many villages, they don't have their land acquisition. They have not been paid any.
If they agree, they will come, they will push the appropriate forum.
Since they are not able to approach this honorable court,
Okay.
that is why we are here in the form of the PL for the interest of those people who has been deprived.
You have mentioned the name of one engineer whose land has been affected. So according to you, he is also not capable.
Pardon?
You have mentioned name of one person who is having land, whose land has been affected. He is engineer.
No, my lord. But so far, I remember, my lord, I have mentioned that the one engineer executing agency,
Yes.
that he had the so many land within the forest area.
Yes.
He has established a certain land, and there is a, my lord, as per DPR, my lord, that should not be happen. But what other construction, what the construction is going on is not as per the DPR. That was the complaint based on the record that I have stated in this specific case.
Yes, Mr. Tam. Is it? Same issue. Liberty was given. That is.
In fact, my lord, that 5,000 was just for withdrawals of this, of the earlier case. I admit that, my lord. And that was, my lord,
Now we'll impose the effective cost.
with the technical ground only, my lord, that was not flowed as per the Guwahati High Court Rule 2011. Now, strictly, the instant PL has been strictly on the basis of Guwahati High Court rules. Because what the court has shown that if these petitioners, whether what is the expense and whether this petitioner has participated in the previous PL or not. And I have categorically that stated. Now this is strictly as per the Guwahati High Court Rule.
The record number 155 EI for all dismissed. All dismissed.
Well,
Record shows.
and the petitioner number 2, this instant one is pending, and this is the petitioner number 1 is a particular person who is fighting for the interest of the public, and he has been filing many of the PL. That how far the outcome of the PL is a mile or something different.
Such a large lawsuit for public loss. One could have gone to the deputy commissioner, at least writing, asking for the compensation. Not even that has not been done, lawsuit. Or writing a representation asking for the compensation if they are really affected on among such a large crowd lawsuit. It will not cost even 100 rupees loss. That also has not been done.
Mr. Seymour.
My lord, before conclusion, now I have to abide with the decision of the dishonorable court. But for my satisfaction, I will take one thing to the dishonorable court, that in this matter, my lord, what is the prime point is that the Forest Conservation Act 1980. This is strictly in the recently 2010. That was notification from the Ministry of the
in the alleging violation of alleging alleging the violation of the law with regard to the Turpong Reserve Forest that no necessary clearance certificate has been obtained from the appropriate authority. And also with the acquisition of the land, the respondent number 7 has been allowed to construct alleging violation of the Forest Conservation Act 1980, provisions of the Forest Conservation Act 1980, and without land acquisition in the project area. The respondent number 7 will allow to construct the road, the double lane road, provide airport connectivity from Polo Airport, Northern destination. From this petition, stand at public interest litigation and been filed by the two petitioners. After hearing the private counsel to the petitioners, there is no that's so in the form of the petition. Satisfied that such a issue is not petition that the public is. However, the issue is then let's move on to obtain instruction. Yeah, said we consider the next this after 4 weeks. 4 weeks. All right.
Item number 2.
My lord, please pass over the matter.
Why?
Because my senior is engaged in different courtroom.
Yes.
have a look at your lordship last order.
Abhishek Kumar.
Yes.
Yes, sir. What is to be done?
I don't know, kindly recall, on 14/8/2025, as soon as report is honorable, report cannot be given in such a manner. To have some difficulty, you can't do it. Say, this is the Honorable High Court. This is not some Gaumburas court. You will just come here and say, just to assuage this court. Who will do it in 2 weeks? What is this?
That's, yes. You have given an assurances, undertakings that you'll complete it. But it's the contrary. Position is contrary. What is to be done?
Sir, we tried our best at that time. It was rained and I think
It's not, you are not trying. You are not trying at all.
No.
Where is the man and machineries?
there at site. Actually,
On the site. No one is there.
sir, the real problem is we are running actually due to maintenance of the whole thing, sir. We are-
Maintenance you have not done also. Maintenance you have not done.
We have already done, sir.
Where? Have you completed it?
I mean, whatever we did, that is done.
It's not whatever. Whatever was there, that you have. It's only, it's the same thing. Same position.
Actually, we have burned a lot of money into that, sir. And
Why are not interested? You have accepted the contract. It's a public project. People are suffering.
now we have arranged the money, sir, and it is, I will start it now and take the handover.
When is the completion period?
July 26, sir. 31st July 26.
Can you do it?
Substantially, we will. Sir.
Not substantially. You have to complete. Yes, sir. You have agreed. You have accepted the project.
Sir, still though some portion of land is not handover to it, sir.
That we have passed an order, but whatever you have been handed over, that also you have not completed.
Sir,
You have
now,
not. You are not doing anything.
sir, now the season has come and I have arranged my funds. And
Yes, where is the mode and the executive engineer? Yes, you be here. Yes. What is your roles?
my dad, what supports,
Are you not monitoring?
we are monitoring, sir, but sometimes last time he has faced some difficulty regarding the cash flow. That matter was already discussed and recommended to the ministry. Competent authority has given a suggestions. If there is some issue regarding cash flow, so he should write a letters.
No, we are not concerned. That is your own internal, I mean, that thing. That cannot be excuses.
My lord, that situation, he will only perform whatever support.
You have to monitor, you have to, I mean, support and you have to,
What maximum, every maximum possible support I have given.
without any progress in the work. Yes.
Sir.
What is your role?
Summary of what
We are not interested now.
Sir.
Every day when the matter is listed, you are furnishing the status, which is not, which is contrary to the actuality. There is no man and machineries. What is to be done? It's a violation. You are violating the court's order. Just intimating would not enough. You have to get it done. You have awarded the work to the contractor. Really, you are responsible. You have to monitor. Just writing, just telling them would not do. Have to be, work has to be executed.
Ministry had given one more suggestion. we have taken a reasonable target up to the March, because this is the working season. If fail, then we go further.
We don't want to hear any word of any failure or something like that. You have to succeed.
We are monitoring, sir. That's why we frequently submission.
They were just, we will allow 1 month time to complete the maintenance part. They were given last time as a last opportunity. Maintenance from Papunala to Dejuli, you have to complete within 1 month. It's a working season, as you said. There may be in between. I mean, you have to work it out. Whatever problem you are facing, you have to work it out.
Works which I have already done at site, and that is not fully completed. Is the aspect of the contract, it is not billabilizing. So I would request and suggest there's some retention money, some partial 10%, 20% retention done on that, and release the rest of the amount. It will add,
No, really, Pandan were not interested. That they will take care of them.
that will
You do all
immensely
this.
that will immensely help the cash flow and in turn of the work. That is the immediate step. Sir. Otherwise, my funds are also almost ready. Sir, and I'm ready.
When can you complete the maintenance part? From Papunala to,
Sir,
if you say that you have done, substantially you have done, you complete it within 1 month. Within 1 month. Maintenance part. And at the same time, you'll have to, put more effort on the main works.
my
July is approaching.
my intention is to by March I'll complete the whole highway work. Sir.
That will be expect.
Much of the work has been done on this site. And by any part, we will complete the highway thing by March, and by July, by
March 2026. It's okay. We were monitoring it. We'll keep it pending. So far the maintenance is concerned, we're granting you on your undertaking, or your assurance, we're granting you 1 month. Maintenance part.
Whose responsible is it to maintain the alternate road, left and right?
10.4, contractor has been maintaining the only safety. Since the last 1.5 months, he hasn't been maintaining. So department, as per contract process, I have been done. You are not maintaining as per the recommendation for the department. I cannot close my eyes. I am suffering. So I have last 1.5 months, I've been doing temporarily HVLC, and I have the photography. So I need this content in case if it doesn't maintain, we to authority take over the maintenance and we deduct the amount from the transfer. Both announce and he agreed, then I can go ahead with the maintenance. Even
That is what generally is being done. Maintenance, they are not doing, it has to be done by the department, and department has to deduct
but it
the amount,
doesn't
maintenance amount.
consent until going. That's the only thing I want to avoid. Yes, you tell us.
Now, that's what happened. The casualty say, but now even the director is not.
Nothing has been done.
what did you say? No, sir, it is being done, sir.
Where do we see? Every day we should travel there. That way only. What are you saying? as if the highway is somewhere in the sky. What are you saying?
This is the worst part is over now. The season has come, and I definitely improve on that.
Are you sure?
Yes.
If you cannot do it, it's correct.
Sir, if we, no, sir, the problem will be like that. If I give my consent for that. So for financial, you will get freedoms. For the things which says 100 rupees is to be done, you might spend 150.
It's not, we're not concerned about this money. If you work the project, if you execute, you will get the money. Don't worry.
Okay, sir, I have no issues if we ready for the maintenance, get him maintain the work and whatever that is required. Get it.
See, we're not trying to scare you. All right. We want that the project has to be executed and people should not suffer. That's why we're taking up the money. Seriously. So can you do it? So far as the maintenance part is concerned, within a month.
If sir is willing to take it, sir, I would be happy. Otherwise, the onus is on me only. The onus is on me only, but if sir is ready to take
You are
it,
saying that you cannot do it.
no, I cannot.
You are not able to do it.
Sir, I'm not saying I'm not able to do it,
Okay.
but I'm not able to put into words. But sir,
Let us in that case, we're granting 1 month.
Huh.
You do it. If you cannot do it, you hand it over to the department. So far as the maintenance part is concerned. All right. We're not forcing you.
No,
If you cannot do it, you just surrender it. There must be some other contractor or the department can do it. Yes. Yeah. I'll give you a 1 month chance, 1 month time to complete the maintenance part. And if you find that you will not be able to do it, you and then you, give it to the department, complete it. And you concentrate on the main problem. All right. Hard is the define plan concept. And it's the who answer one. You're one. And it's the and then next. Abhishek Kumar. Oh, that's good. Sir,
Subhash Chandra,
what's your, what is your question?
Regional Officer.
Legal officer. And Mr. Executive, Mr. Abhishek Kumar. What progress? Let me see, sure. Must be what? Oh, what? Sure. But when it's I don't know. Sure that the project and the assurances for completing the maintenance from $100 region. Within a month, it's a within a month. It's a mistake. In the event, the maintenance, but in the event, the respondent, in the event, the respondent seven. Unable to maintain the maintenance part in the month. Same and the government, yeah, department. Highway, PWD. That's why it's executive. No progress. Yeah. Okay. And there's no progress in that. Project. No, if the contractor. It's what we say, it's been last. Yes, so I assured that if the respondent number seven. Maintain the. Department said. Instead. Subhash. Subsection prophecy. Sure. So. 30 days. The event, in the event they responded, I don't know. Just don't wait for 1 month. Work it out. Then you get rid of some plan. Okay. Right? If you did that, wherever everything you can accept it from the day on. Right?
Well, the one, the word consent should be used,
Not
not going to litigation letter. The way, whatever it is,
yes.
that is what
Consent instead of agreed.
the respondent number 7 should consent with consent.
Hand over. Hand over there. Okay. Instead of agreed. Consent. Then that's all.
Yeah, okay.
We request the committee. Committee headed by what with we next minute. We request the committee constituted that is good. After 30 days. No, after 25 days. After 25 days. And place a report of the next day. We're fixing it 31st
Yeah.
October.
Okay, chapter.
As we have earlier indicated also that why not, I mean, these are calling here. We understand your problem, but then the public interest is above all. All right. You appear on the next day, but fixing on 31st, should we?
Let that be there on 31st, at least some program reaction.
And then we're not dispensing.
Yeah, I don't know.
The respondents are requesting directly to place the status of the next. Committee is also visited.
I will inform.
This is the matter on 31st of May.
This matter is, the eviction, effect of eviction is going to be taken after next week, and going to be last
Before 1. Before 1. Before 1 o'clock.
Okay. We will ensure the file reaches here on your lawsuit.
Maybe the lordship. And I in connection with item number 900 call for. So I am seeking adjournment, Lord. You are seeking adjournment. You are seeking, I am seeking adjournment, but I have to file an IL also. You have filed it. You have filed it in the morning. Call it. Huh? Very call. Fine. So I will adjourn it. Will adjourn it.
Yes, all right, my lord. It's perfectly okay.
Okay, you just call the IL. Huh?
Yeah, Lord.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 24
24.
on the behalf of Boluram Das. And leading counsel has already informed the other side petition, and he cannot appear because he got some local ritual festival. So this matter may kindly list after the vacation.
Yeah, this is for referral. For reference to the For reference to the special mediation,
Yes, but
Well, refer it-
Lordship, I was directed to,
have you seen this? This is for referral only.
item number 24.
Yes. You take instruction. Take instruction from your this.
And there is another item number 26 also.
You take instruction. This is for reference. For referral to media. Mediation, sorry, mediation. You take instruction from this Mr. Tamin or Kato.
No, no, no. B does,
Vidas.
yes,
Tamin is there.
no.
You take from Das. This is listed for referral to mediation. You just take instruction and come back.
Yes, but Lordship, he already told me to the next date.
Madam, I am requesting you to take instruction from Vidas. This is listed for referral to mediation. You just take instruction.
Like this Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention one unlisted item. Lordship, there is an urgency.
What are they saying?
Urgency is there, Lordship.
Before one. Bring it before one.
Lordship, yesterday I filed, but yesterday I got that.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying. We're permitting you bring this one. Get it done before 10. Have one. Yes.
Like,
Item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hard so and so learn counsel for the petitioner. This is an application. This is. What is this petition?
Contempt of non-compliance of
Okay.
judgment order.
Application. Under section 12 of the Contempt of Court Act 1971, read with section Article 12 to 15 of the Constitution of India and Contempt of Courts in bracket Guwahati High Court Rules 1977, alleging willful disobedience of order dated, what's this? 20/05/2025 passed in WPC 557 of 2024. Issue notice returning by 4 weeks. Petitioners to take state service notice are
Deeply
respondents.
Item number 2.
Registered person.
My lord,
Yes.
please pass over the matter. Please pass over the matter, my lord.
Okay, what do we call for?
Try
Recorder.
call, please.
We call for the records today. It's a regular bill. Okay. Not Mr. So and so, that constable. Call for the scanned copy of the trial court report.
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS. EGB. MC. Exit one. List after,
On 27.
list on 27. 27/10/2025.
Item number 3.
My lords, in item number 3, I'm appearing for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, here we are aggrieved by the order dated 22/8 of 2025, passed by the State Information Commissioner, my lord. If my lord may find it at annexure at page 34, annexure 1 at page 34, the impugned order.
Page 34.
Yes, my lord, the operative part, my lord, says page 36, paragraph number 2. My lord, the State Information Commissioner, while deciding the RTI application, has gone on to interpret the state rules, my lord, by making it applicable to Pasighat Smart City Development Corporation and also making it applicable to tender process, my lord. If I may read the paragraph, my lords.
Yes, yes.
My lord, paragraph number 2 of the page 36. This commission notices that the aforesaid rule does not mention entities, corporation, companies, or board extra by name in the list of government department, but the word various agencies have been mentioned before the word department under the government of Arunachal Pradesh. These two words, words various agencies, in the considered opinion of this commission, necessarily include the entities such as corporation, board, extra, which are the instrumentality or agencies of the state. And as such, the Pasighat Smart City Development Corporation Limited, being a state government corporation, though incorporated under Companies Act 2013, is an instrumentality of the state government and therefore covered by the aforesaid Rule 3, and in view thereof, this commission is inclined to hold that the provision of the APDPE and the IDBP Rule 2015 are applicable to the corporation. Resultantly, the tender criteria qualification prescribed by the said rule are to be fulfilled by the contractor while participating in the tender process. My lord, my humble submission is, my lord, the commission does not have the power and jurisdiction, my lord, to ventures into interpreting the state rule or making it applicable in the tender process and deciding the legal status of the Pasighat Smart City Development Corporation Limited, my lords.
Information that puts in the Yes,
So, my lord,
it's for
the
information commissioner. Oh, sir, hard sector. Mr.
my lord, in connection also I filed a IA, which I've prayed for staying the operation of the order. So I humbly prayed, my lord, that only till the next day the operation of the impugned order may be stayed, my lord.
Yes. One of the, in fact, it will be an interesting matter, one of whether the Pasighat Smart City Development Corporation will, state government, or whether the district based entrepreneurship. So you are saying that the commission has no authority
Yes, my lord,
to
has
set
no,
the issue.
my lord, because they has gone on to interpret the rules and make it applicable not only to Pasighat Smart City, but to its tender process, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, let me consult with the commissioner. Challenging the challenge made in this petition is to the audited 22/08/2025. You are supposed to, you are directed to give within two weeks.
Yes, my lord.
Have you furnished the documents?
My lord, in the process of challenging this particular order, we have also received a show cause notice yesterday, but my lord, we could not annex it. It is the matter has been again listed on the 15th, which is on during vacation. So, my lord, that's my humble prayer that my lord, only till the next date, if my lord may kindly stay the operation of the order.
By the State Information Commissioner, APIC, Itaragan. Whether that, while interpreting the Rule 3 of Armature Police. What it is? What? Armature Pradesh,
Arun-
Andhra Pradesh district based entrepreneurship and what?
Professional
Where do
incentive.
you get it?
My lord actually, my lord,
At page 5. Arunachal Pradesh district based entrepreneurship and professional incentive development and promotional.
2015. And the rules framed there directed the petitioner to furnish the information documents. Which is the contention of the contention of the petition. That the commission has no authority interpret the provisions of the Act and rule. Well, there is the appeal and the right to select the duty person of the commission. What is furnishing or not furnishing? What is say?
My lords,
What is not furnishing? Permission sought under the Act. As per the Act of Right to Information Act 2005. Should not returnable by for which since Mr. Henratan additional except notice that we have there's more than one. Issue notice to them. And this was to take stage person notice. 2 and 3.
yes, my
Have
lord.
you not furnished a copy to the Standing Council of Information Commission?
My lord, we not aware that there's a standing council. My lord will do it, my lord.
This two weeks time is over.
Yes, my lord. My lord, we are concerned with the power and jurisdiction which the commission has exercised, my lords. My lord, if it can be stayed only till the next date, my lord, I'll be.
Huh?
If the operation of the impugned order may kindly be stayed only till the next date, my lord.
Yes, I have said
All right,
so.
highly obliged, my lord.
Item number 4.
May I please?
Common transport order.
Malad.
Common transport order.
Yes, Malad. Malad, I am not against the transfer order, Malad. My grievances is, Malad, there is no reliever as such, Malad. And Malad, I am looking after my two twins, Malad. Malad, twins, children.
Demoted. Demoted. Your ground is?
Malad, first ground is, there is a Malad, the joint posting, Malad, the scheme, Malad, as per the department. And on joint, Malad, the posting scheme, I have been transferred to place.
Yes. Why not in prepared, but then we'll direct them to consider
Till just time, Malad. I am looking after my 18 months.
We have already disposed of so many matters. Exactly same ground. Studies of children,
joint
joint
Malad.
posting.
And no reliever, Malad.
We cannot have reliever.
Malad, as per the Malad,
Reliever is not your.
Malad, as per the Malad, the correspondence made by the principal himself, Malad. Only lone teacher, Malad, serving in the Malad school. Malad, if
That,
the
they have decided where to go, how to go, when to go. Where to be posted.
however, Malad, as per the correspondence made by the vice
The
principal,
problem is we have disposed of so many matters, 4, 5 matters. Similar, same ground,
at least till just
same
time,
if you not.
Malad, the respondent department has
That
Malad,
was the
made,
submission of your colleagues. This court has declined.
Malad, till just time, no,
That representation is only we have directed because similarly situated teachers have been considered. Out of 203,
correct.
45 teachers have been considered.
That
But
document
that
is also annexed.
consideration only we have directed. Otherwise, we
Malad, that document is also annexed here. In fact, the respondent authority.
Same order.
It says time, my lord.
Administration. Concept. Same order, same ground.
India, much.
Well, I think 15 days.
15 days.
15 days.
It's for them. If I am released, I will be no way. So, see, till this time,
Can't help it. We find that it's for
Malad,
rationalization of the transparent posting in the department.
yes, my lord propose one thing, my lord. Till consideration may not be released, my lord. Till once it is released, my lord,
You cannot have a different order. There will be discrimination.
my lord.
Discrimination by the court.
But
Yeah, yes.
Item number 5.
my lord,
Yes.
after filing this writ, my lord, last night, I have gone to this found that the order based on which this impugn order has been filed, my lord, that this vacation order that has already been
Executed.
was set aside by one coordinate bench of this honorable court. But knowing, my lord, the commissioner has instructed that the that vacation order may be carried out, my lord. Your lordship.
Where it is? Where is the impugn order?
Your lordship.
Compliance honorable Mr.
Impugn orders, my lord. May I read, my lord? It is based on right.
18.
18. There are three orders, my lord. Petitioners has come here. I have come here in common position. Case 18, 1 week. May I read, my lord? Whereas it has been reported undersigned that you have illegally encroached government lane and has been constructed an illegal structure within the lane which was allotted to subsidiary in the Bureau SIB at Bhuminagar behind Bakir 13 Democratic School. Whereas such enforcement of government lane is illegal and invites legal profit under provision of Arunachal Pradesh public premises eviction of unauthorized activity 2003. Whereas the deputy or the deputy commissioner is sanctioned by order number this, City Kabit among others versus Assistant Director of SIB Pasigat on dated 22nd August 2025 has directed the undersigned to proceed with eviction as per law, my lord. Based on this order issued by the deputy commissioner, she has issued this eviction order. And most glaring irregularity here, my lord, section 4 and section 4 of the eviction act 2002 has not been complied with. Let's see the order that are issued by.
That has been set aside.
Yes, this order, the order was actually, it was the order. This order has been set aside, my lord. Actually, it happened so, my lord. This order we have not annexed. But the fact was, my lord, this order was issued to other people also. So, some of them approached the order. It's a one coordinate, my lord. Then I have and these three petitioners, what they're
Which order? The order of the deputy commissioner.
yes,
Order dated
order dated
impugn vacation notice showing
22 May 2024, issued by the Commissioner, my lord.
No, this is Pasigat dated 22nd August.
My lord, yes, my lord. This has been issued. This has been issued, my lord. Issued without following the process of law, not giving me opportunity of being heard, my lord. Because it clearly says, my lord, Deputy Commissioner has directed her, my lord. Whereas the Deputy Commissioner
issue the petition forward. It has already been set aside by this honorable court. That judgment order I have placed for you.
No, the reference which you are making, para 18, is of order dated 22 August 2025. This is 22nd May. Page 18, you see,
My lord,
Kabit Apang versus so-and-so, Pasigat, dated 22 August 2025.
my lord, this order is in page number 24. My lord. This order is in page number 24.
That has been set aside.
No, he has even
Why you are saying, why you are referring to this?
No, I am referring in detail, my lord, because this should have not been executed, my lord, because the notice on which this matter was filed against my lord has already been once set aside by the coordinate bench,
Which one?
my lord. Actually, one,
Yes.
and that petition notice was challenged in two ways, my lord. Number one, under 226 here by someone, and my party being advised by their advocate, filed one.
This order is notice is under section 5. This is under section 134 CRPC.
My lord, yes. So this section,
Okay,
since
since it is a last day of the court, before the vacation, Navratri. So, will issue notice and stay. At Mr. Dijabo, then counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this petition is to the notice dated 18/09/2025. Issued by the circle officer cum state officer, whereby the petitioner is directed to vacate the government, vacate the government land having been found illegally enforced, having been found enforced based on the order dated 22/08/2025 passed by the Deputy Commissioner. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks as MS Arbasar London State Council. Enter the appearance, accept notice of all the respondents.
What?
All the respondents. No formal notice. Switch. Then next. Considering that that for initiation of eviction process, notice has to be required. Notice is required to be issued under section 4 of the Arunachal Pradesh Public Premises Eviction of Unauthorized Act 2003. Eviction and unauthorized occupant in bracket, page 18. And the acute notice is to have been issued under section 5 of the same in the next day. Acute notice, so that it's so should be CEO come state of the minister.
Item number 6.
Issue notice. According to you, the quota rota rule would not have been applied. because there's the excess promotion, excess promotion.
And the recruitment rules only provides for quota of 50% margin.
Police notice. And MS data book, land council for the petitioners. Challenge many district petition. Seniority list.
It's a lot.
Where it is? Final seniority list.
Page number 105, Your Lordship, annexure 14.
How much?
105.
104.
104, Your Lordship. And the operating portion is at 106.
The memorandum dated 12/02/2025 was many. Which is under the secretary of the record under the Government Department. Intensive seniority is the assistant engineer. And petitioners below. So, petitioners who are direct recruits of 2019
19.
below the respondents, private respondents,
Yes, Your Lordship.
all the private respondents.
My Lord, in respect of respondent number 5 to 15, Your Lordship.
Huh?
In respect of private respondent numbers 5 to 15, Your Lordship, they have been placed above the petitioners. And in respect of,
Place above, below the respondent number 5 to 15.
yes, Your Lordship.
And
In respect of respondent number 16 to 31, they have been placed in between the petitioners by applying the
and respondent number 16 to
31, Your Lordship.
32,
31.
31 are placed in
Between
between the
petitioner-
petitioner and the respondent number.
between the petitioner.
5 to 15.
No, I'm sorry, Your Lordship. In respect of respondent number 16 to 31, Your Lordship, they have been placed between the petitioners by applying the quota of the.
By placing the and placing the respondents number 16 to 31 in between the petitioners by applying the quota rota rule. So, issue not. No, it is the contention of the petitioner. And then concept of the petitioner is the rules, recruitment rules provides for 50% promotion and 50%, 50-50. What is your 50-50 ratio? No, 50% for promotion and 50% for direct recruitment. List that the respondent authorities have promoted in excess of the 50%. That the private respondents. That the quota rota rule did not have been applied. That's all. No, therefore, the excess promoted cannot be met. Cannot be placed above the petitioner and the quota rota could not have been applied. Should notice returnable by 4 weeks. Is it so?
Your Lordship.
And Mr. Swenson and also for that. What would you? Who is more? And so, yeah, just give government, no problem, but this year, no way. Decisions to take steps for service of notice. Respond number 50, 5 to 31. Arbasan, huh? Yes.
Item number 7.
Interpret it. Restriction going on.
Lordship, proceeding has already been initiated. Memorandum of articles has been served upon. Now they are not furnishing the documents, Lordship. In the court of inquiry also they have failed to furnish the documents. Lordship,
No interpret.
Lordship, there are
Cannot interpret.
Lordship, prejudice will be
Means we
caused.
cannot.
Lordship, prejudice will be there.
We'll
Lordship.
see
Without,
on next step.
Lordship, without documents, how can I place my defense, Lordship? That is my concern.
We'll say we'll direct them to provide document.
And then I don't know, Malata, as per the procedure.
As per the relevant rules.
Lordship, army
As
rules
per the provisions.
and army rules or CCA rules also clearly says that
That's why.
for proper defense, Lordship, documents have to be furnished.
We say as per the rules, applicable rules. We say that it's I mean, there's a provision for providing the document.
Lordship, as per army rules, it's there clearly rules 184, Lordship. And as per CCS rule, article 311 of the
As per permissible under the
Correct.
applicable rules.
All right.
Had Mr. Judge in counsel for the petitioner challenging the initiation of departmental proceedings and the memorandum number 1326 C of 131 page 17, you take it. That's 0409/2025. This petition is filed. So, against the petitioner, who is serving as what?
UDC, Lordship,
UTC in the what?
border organization,
Border Road Organization. At what?
at
Border,
Rohingya.
organization. The present petition is fine, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. You are appearing for
All respondents.
Mr. The Emkato Lanet is there. There's a election procedure. We have all the notice of action notice. The pendency, having considered the submission of that possible the petitioner, pendency shall not be a bar. Pendency of this principle of God to provide public furnish the documents sought by the petitioner as may be permissible and may be applicable rules and act. That's all.
So
Item number 8.
after 3 weeks, Lordship. Otherwise, again, dispute without documents, they initiate, Lordship.
That's why I said, Russian. Yes,
Public.
yes.
Lordship, my senior is standing on the court. Kindly make the password.
No, very difficult. Yes, what is your instruction?
But as per my instruction, Malad, the proceeding is still going on, Malad. In between, Malad, after suspension in inquiry, Malad, the prosecuting officer was appointed, but he has got retired, Malad. Later on, 21, recently, Malad, the new prosecuting officer appointed, the proceeding is pending. But admittedly, Malad, this review has not been done. Yes.
The review is not done.
Malad, that is, review should have been done, Malad. Yes, elaboration of part of
Inquiry is still going on.
inquiry,
You
Madam,
have not initiated any proceeding.
Madam, earlier inquiry was conducted, Madam, the four inquiry conducted, Madam. That was thought to be inclusive, Madam. And later, Madam, the inquiry officer changed, new inquiry officer appointed, and in the meantime, the prosecuting officer retired and a new prosecuting officer appointed, Madam. This way, Madam, the matter got delayed. It's still pending.
So what can we do? What is to be done?
That part there's lectures. New prosecuting officer appointed on 31 September 2021. Recently, after retirement earlier, EO. I have not discussed with only the problem they have that subsequent the earlier IO that changed point of view inquiry officer prosecuting got retired officer.
After the suspension, there's no review at all.
My lord, as per instructed, but they have not worked.
What can we do in that case? So after some time. Yes. Then after vacation, madam. Yes, right.
Also, we is
See, after some time.
Item number 9.
Yes, yes.
9 and 10.
Wait, there was a need to explore finding out evidence and evidence of the election. But however, we give some more time. That's why But that it will fix also. Hard Mr. In the IA, huh? In the IA. That also. Then Mr. Wicket theory. Then we see the system. He better than concept of the respect. This is an application search, huh? Second. Election petition. Election. So. What is the ground? Ground is that lordships in earlier IA 182 of 2025 had allowed us to inspect certain documents, lordship. It took some time in inspecting those documents, lordship. That's why, moreover, lordship had in earlier order had directed us that CCTV footage may be given to us. That has not been given till date, lordship. So, please take a big plan, lordship. Trigger of the election. So, the petition of more time to collect. Settle the oh my God. Should we say that? No. Don't you better say that we need just some more time for preparation of the submit then. The issue maybe granting some time. Preparation of what evidence in affidavit. This is petitioners. Election petitioners weaknesses. It is. Said call me up, lordship. Yes, so the 24 is good, lordship. After reopening. It will be Friday, lordship. For 4 weeks. 4 weeks of 4 weeks. And we consider then consider the prayer. Then consider the evidence in the mediation. And the witnesses of the election petitioner as well as other witnesses. The election in evidence again. And the I know.
Item number 11.
What is this?
This is a writ petition.
Yes.
Yes, Veena. So on the last date, this honorable court has directed us to file additional affidavits to bring on record documents of the documents, relevant documents, one being the interim bail, anticipatory bail order granted in connection to PS Polang PS case number 11 of 25 and the final anticipatory bail order in connection to the same matter. And one more summons which we have brought on record is the summons which was sent by the Itanagar Crime Branch in respect to Bolang PS case number 11 of 25. So those are the documents which has been brought on record, and we have this court has also directed us to file proof of service to respondent number 1, which we have done, Your Honor. So the respondents are to file a reply today on affidavit or any reply from their end. Last matter, on last occasion, this matter was heard.
So they have to file response to this.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's all.
Yes, Your Honor.
Her MS,
Sunny Tang.
MS,
Sunny Tang.
Sunny Tang,
Yes, Your
Sunny
Honor.
Tang, then counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Honor.
Submits that
Your Honor, if I may
Some-
request,
in terms
Uh,
of the order dated 17/09/2025, filed by this court. She has filed the request additional affidavit. Then we'll have to reply.
yes, Your Honor, we are seeking, if possible, after vacation on first day of first day or after vacation, 20 October. This matter may be listed. It's a prayer.
And Kato, and DHA.
I'm assisting her,
Assisting,
assisting the Sunny Tang,
Sunny Tang,
Yes, Your Honor.
that the petitioner account.
raised for and granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in the main case. And in the writ petition, as well as the petitioner. As agreed to by land council for the parties, let this method be listed or after 3 weeks.
After holidays, Your Honor, my lord, on 20, if possible,
Yes.
on 20 October, if possible.
21st. It's 21st. Make it
21st.
21st. 21st.
Much
It will be difficult matter because we have to file everything matter. So
No.
3 weeks will be better.
3 weeks, it will be 3 weeks only. 21st of October.
Your my lord, 31st of October.
31st. Madam,
My lord, the
Yep.
thing is that this is an urgent matter because I am to travel to Dublin, and my degree is already on hold because of that. If
no, its
there,
time is over. Now it's over. Your that thing. Course period is over.
no, your lordship, they have granted me an extension because I've
Anyway,
explained my.
make it 24. 24.
My lord.
24.
My lord.
24. Huh? This.
Okay.
Much obliged.
Item number 12.
This IAS for implement, madam. Because otherwise the writ petition is for payment of the wages by the petitioner to the petitioner. But the entire writ petition is based on the mala fide malais action of the respondent number 4.
Whom you want to include?
I want to include the respondent for the executive engineer by name
Why?
because my lord, so many allegations have been made. Otherwise, the entire writ petition itself is based on the action which is alleged to be arbitrary and malafide. And so, since my lord, of course, not my lord, that when there's a allegation of malafide, the person has to be impeded by name. That's
Who
why
is this? Who is the petitioner?
petitioner is the executive engineer against whom allegations have been made.
Okay.
The entire writ petition itself is based on those allegations of malafide and arbitrary exercise of power
This is filed by executive engineer.
by name.
Ah,
Yes.
You want yourself to be impeded.
Implemented, my lord. In event some order is passed, my lord.
Yes. Objection.
My lord, no objection.
And Mr. Discipline counsel to the applicant. And so it's so. MS P. Sangeeta, the State Council for.
My lord, I'm for the respondent.
Oh, okay. And Mr.
Three pound.
Then council for the party. Recruitment. Next paragraph. This is an application seeking improvement of the applicant as party respondent in the corrected the application 339. The applicant. That to be included and respondent number 5.
5.
5. This applicant name here. So that we can sort of show. Let's see. Respondent number 5. I feel that represent your normal person. This was amended cost item. You file an amended cost item. You have the copy.
I have the copy.
Arresting. Arresting. And when is to be listed?
Well, in the main case, my lord, the 4 weeks time have been given the respondents to file it.
Is that
Item number 13.
My lord, item 13, 14 and 15. My lord, I have the instruction, my lord. Here, my lord, the joint director RE is the accepting authority. So here he has given the instruction that he will call for the records from the district and he will examine the matter. So if the petitioners agree, this can be disposed of that since the accepting authority will look into the ones placed by the petitioners. He will examine. Till then, till he examines, should not be that protection.
Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship.
No, what they are, what is they are saying that they will accepting authority, they will call for the records and they will examine your grievances.
My Lord,
We will allow them and,
My Lord,
and till it is finalized, I mean till it is examined, no further the tender should not be finalized.
Yes.
that would
We'll
do.
see.
Please.
Yes.
That would do, my
We'll
Lord.
dispose it. Dispose
Yes,
of
yes.
it.
Yes, my Lord. They will examine my grievances also, my Lord, and till the grievances are redressed, my Lord, they will not finalize the tender process. My Lord, that will do, my Lord. That will
Or keep it pending.
No, no.
well, better,
Plus
my
I
Lord,
say for that.
Better, if I may pray so, better, my lord, will keep it pending and fix it immediately after vacation. Let them produce, my lord, what they have taken. What?
The tender process, if project director will examine.
Now, then in that
Look.
case, we say that till the next date, don't finalize, we'll say, in the meantime, you may examine.
Yes.
All right.
Anyway,
If you want some, if you want some more time, you get back, come back on next date.
The difficulty, my lord, is that after there is an interim, it prolongs, my lord. That's why.
No, we'll make
No,
it
no,
sure that
my lord will make-
on next date, if you cannot complete it, may grant some time. But if you complete the process, will the matter.
Yes.
All right. Or we'll dispose of the matter
It's
on
better
the
if
instruction that the
project director will
accepting authority has assured, undertakes to examine your grievances. Huh?
my lord, in fact, my lord, that I may have to come again. My lord, therefore, if your lordship keep it pending, my lord, anyways, the authorities have given an instruction that they have not received the records, they were scrutiny.
Unnecessary.
So, my lord, will keep it pending. Let them.
See, whether we dispose it or not, right? They will be passing an interim order till
Yes,
the
sir.
disposal and all. Now we'll pass the interim order for next day. Till next day only. Not to
Till
be-
next day. Till next day.
my lord may say that till the grievance of the petitioners are not examined, it shall not be final.
Well, that would be difficult, my lord.
And, let it be listed in the next
On-
day. But
on the-
the interim may be till the grievance of the petitioners are not examined.
My lord. My lord, the further extension of the interim would be subject to what they place on record, my lord. That my lord may say.
Right, huh? The late made so and so. Same thing that did. Huh? And it's called on the well issued notice. The report, directly that action that we can get into obtain instruction. When they September. Joint director,
Yes.
are
Ari.
being the accepting authority. And ensure that all the relevant documents they will NIT. So it's that is one incident 2006-2025 respect of all
Yes, ma'am. All.
Parsiparlo,
Coloria and
And Sarli.
Parsiparlo city document. So, from the concerned authority. Scrutinize in detail. Scrutinize in detail. And examine the differences said by the patient. Considering the sufficiency of the considering the extent of the respondent authorities in the internal of the and the tender process question, tender process questions and will be finalized in the preventions of the petitioner is redressed. Okay.
My lord is disposing of.
No, no.
No. My lord may
Not
fix
to
a date.
finalize, not to finalize till the grievance of the petitioner is redressed.
My lord.
All right. And then, they will be different. Parsiparlo, then.
The next item 14 will be for Colorian City Law.
13
14
is Parsiparlo,
14 is Colorian.
Colorial, 15 is
15 is Sarli.
Charlie. Yes. Same.
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 Same NIT.
Same NIT.
Date of NIT same.
Date of
Same.
NIT same. May I pray for a fixed date, my lord? If I may.
Yes. 27. 27.
27 October. Well, can it be 29, my lord, if not inconvenient to your lordship?
29. Okay.
I'm grateful, my lord.
Item number, apart. Pass over matter item number 8.
Pass the order. Where is Ajay Chaudhary? You are relying on Ajay Chaudhary.
Yes, Lordship. Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, and then
Just give the citation.
Lordship.
Just go. 2007.
2015,
15.
Volume 7,
Seven.
SCC 291. Yes.
Get their copy and
DP of license.
Item number 16.
Hey, man.
16 and 17.
I'm proclaiming, man. In 16 and 17.
you are not ready.
No, man. Matter is this for your referral to your mediation.
Yes.
I have no objection.
And it was informed that they are not willing to settle the matter through mediation and intend to pursue settlement by the regular court. This by whom? You are for?
I'm for my claimant here.
You said you are not ready to. And the respondent did not appear today. You are claimant, no?
Yes, yeah.
So it is recorded that you are not ready to settle it through the mediation.
No, man.
You don't want. You don't want to settle.
No, I want to settle here. That's all.
Then
I
what is that
have no
book here?
objection from my side, my lord.
Huh?
I have no objection from my side, my lord. Matter may be sent to my lord mediation, my lord.
So this was already. It is reported parties failed to reach a settlement during the mediation period. Matter was listed for mediation today. The appellant was present. Appellant is who?
Appellants.
New India Insurance
Insurance.
Corporation.
Yes.
For mediation, and the respondent did not appear today. You are respondent,
Yes, responding, claimant.
but it is recorded. It was informed that they are not willing. You did not appear.
That
No,
my lord.
non appears for the petitioner, the appellant. Huh?
Yes.
Although the report of the mediator indicates that the respondent was not agreeable to mediation, agreeable to settle the matter through mediation. Mr. So-and-so, that concept for the claimant respondent submits that the respondent is ready to settle the matter through mediation, for which he prays that matter may be referred to the mediation. MS. The letter the best before the. List for mediation for MS then mediation. Then counsel for the respondent. Okay. You are there, you are not there. You in there. The person for the appellant. You inform the appellant. Okay. Then this 16 and 17.
Yes, 16 and 17.
In 16 and 17.
Item number 18.
Yes.
Item number 19.
Yeah, please, yeah.
Last occasion, it was discussed the mediation center. Whether the
Same order. There's not been settled.
Yeah.
Same order.
Item number 20.
Same order. No difference.
Item number 21. Item number 22.
I am for the respondent here. On the last occasion in 12 of 9, I have appeared before the mediation and I was ready to this before the take the amicable settlement before this mediation. But these petitioners are not ready. Therefore, this matter is to be taken up in the regular court. This chapter.
Same order. Not be settled.
Item number 23.
You are for respondent.
I'm for the petitioner.
No settlement. So,
the office note says so that no settlement, in spite of notice, we did not appear. But I've spoken with the petitioner, they have also the received the note.
so there you want to go again. Right.
Some
In the next, this consequent then consequent respondent number
2.
that will raise. mediation, mediation, itaru. A better one than for mediation. That's the better. By appointing the best lawyer. That's very good. On when? So if we're agreeable, man, if the date is fixed, it will be better for the public. You inform the. Yeah.
Item number 24.
Yes.
Lordship, here, both the parties are not agreed for the mediation. So
Better
the
was-
matter may be in regular.
Better refer to mediation. Refer to the major procedure of mediation. Simple. Settle. Listen to the matter after full.
Item number 25.
Concept. Responded.
Petitioner.
You have also not received.
No, my lord.
Parties. And this deep on that. Just inform. You inform the council. According to the issue.
Item number 26. Lordship, here also the parties are not consent for the mediation.
Huh?
Parties are not agreed for the mediation.
This is the on the prayer of sanctions that concentrate on this matter after. How many matters? See, when it comes.
Yes.
My precious lordships. Lordship, this is a writ petition. Lordship, challenging one judgment issued by the Central Administrative Tribunal, Guwahati bench. Lordship, I am representing the petitioner here. Petitioner is Sri Vinit Kumar Jawal, the IFS, cadre batch of 2006. Lordship, my present designation is CCF. Now, before the filing of the suit, I was serving as a field director at Namdapha National Park, Tiger Reserve, Miao. Now, Lordship, before coming into a judgment, I'd like to give a short brief of the case. Lordship, on February 28th,
Where are you now?
that is the Lordship my concern. I'll come to it, Lordship. On dated February 28th, Lordship, the Union of India, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, they have issued one transfer order. Me transferring from Arunachal to Daman and Diu, Union Territory. Now, Lordship, again on 16th April, the state had issued relieving order with the effect on 17, which means I was given only a 24 hours of time. Lordship. Thereby, I have filed one WPS before this honorable court, before the single bench. Thereby, Lordship, I was given a direction and instruction to file a proper representation before a competent authority highlighting the grievances. Now, and also to file, Lordship, before appropriate forum, that is the gate. Thereby, Lordship, I filed before the Central Administrative Tribunal, and the judgment was issued on 1st August 2025. Now, coming into a judgment, Lordship, in the page number 31, Lordship, Lordship, if I may, in the paragraph number 10, page number 31, Lordship, of the judgment, it is stated that by the Central Administrative Tribunal that respondents are directed to post the two IFS cadre as per their order dated 28/08/24, 28 February 2025. That is me, Lordship. In respect of the Sri Sanjay Waratkar, the private respondent number 5, and the applicant Sri Vinit Kumar Jawal in their respective position as in the state deputation of Reserve, Daman and Diu, and in the cadre position of CCF, Daman and Diu, respectively, with the immediate effect, and they are to join their respective position accordingly. The respondent authority, competent authority is also hereby directed to place Sri Sanjay K. Waratkar against SDR in any position as per SDR norms and suitable for his rank. Now, Lordship, as per this order, I am directed to go to Union Territory. But, Lordship, I am not against the order. I am only seeking for a proper direction. If I go there, Lordship will come in the Gazetted of India, the Bharat Ka Rajpatra. There is only... Yes, Lordship.
What mistake?
S-Inti, Lordship.
Huh?
S-Inti, Lordship.
S-Inte.
Yes, Lord.
Inte. Inte.
Yes, Lord.
Inte.
Yes, Lord.
Then consent of the petitioner. Petitioner. This petition is directed against the order dated 01/08/2025 passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal, Guwahati bench, Guwahati bench. Where the in original application number 4/5/128/2025. The Central Administrative Tribunal has directed one respondent of the original application directed to respondent petitioner and respondent number 5. Here, respondent 5.
No, no.
Not there. It's not the party here.
No, respondent number 5 is here. Respondent number 6
Respondent
in the petition.
as per the
orders dated 28/08/2020. The respective positions as in the state reputation reserve of what is the BNH? Dabra number heavily, yes, Lordship, and Daman and Dev. Daman Dev. In the cater position of CCO. Lordship, I have an interim as well. BNH. And that is one and 6. One should come into the answer. 1 and 6. Lordship, I have urgency there. What's the urgency? Lordship, the ADC of the Miao district had given me a notice to vacate the government quarter and also hand over the keys of the government vehicle. Now, Lordship, whereas without taking the concern of the DC, thereby I have negotiated in the sense I have highlighted my grievances before the DC and he had given a direction. But now, Lordship, my concern is that there are only one post is vacant for CCF, but as per the transfer order, 2 officers are transferred there. So meanwhile, this one, the ADC is giving me notice to vacate the office. So I'm saying to DC has given a direction. That is, Lordship, DC, whatever. No, he has only given orally led the investigation, but I want a proper like interim prayer upon the ADC order. What the annexure G, Lordship, page number 45. Yes, Lordship, here the ADC of Miao have directed that on his transfer. If I read, Lordship, whereas Sri the interim prayer. So consider on the next return. On the return. Much obliged, sir.
Item number 27.
Your Lordship, this matter is regarding non-consideration of the application for land allotment submitted in 2022, my lord. And on the other hand, my lord, the imminent threat of eviction from by the respondent department, respondent authorities, my respondents are Deputy Commissioner Pasigat and DLRS, the State Officer Pasigat, my lord. Your Lordship.
Then an affidavit. I mean, is there any notice?
No notice has been given, my lord. There the 3 notices has been given, my lord, that your Lordship has previously stayed in another case, but that has not been directly addressed to me. But the sweep of those,
No, we cannot say that. Heard Mr. Please about counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship, but the notice is not upon the petitioner, Your Lordship.
They were not saying it. They were not passing anything. By filing this petition, petitioner. No, apprehending eviction from the government land occupied by the petitioner.
actually, that is a traditional land, my lord, disputed. Disputed. I say it is a traditional land. They say
In that case, filing this also, apprehending eviction from the land occupied by the petitioner. What is the name of the land?
Women number Pasigat, my lord. And
At Rumin Nagar, Pasigat,
my lord, geo coordinate reading is given in paragraph.
Siang district. petition is instituted. The petitioner has also read for a direction to consider direction to the respondent authorities to expedite the process of consideration of his application for land allotment dated 30/6/2020. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As MS mentioned. And
Observe what is interim order hearing maybe next our argument.
why?
Your
With the judgment, cannot file writ petition
My lord,
on apprehension.
no, my lord, my main petition is for, not the implement. My main permission.
All the respondents.
Yes,
No formal notice.
no, 1 to 4, your lordship. Private respondent is
What
there.
private?
1 to
1 to 4.
1. So take stage procedure. That is number 5. 5.
Who you take?
Had I,
My lord, your lord, actually, my main prayer is,
had I have some time, so that this will be
my lord,
simply what is with say, it is to observe that the respondent authorities are given initiate action against any encroachers in the government that in accordance by following the due process of law.